Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you don't know your account PIN, you can find it on your online Verizon account, or by calling Verizon customer support at 1-800-922-0204. Verizon app. Go to Account Settings, Security, Number Transfer PIN and follow instructions.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Navigate to the Verizon Wireless website and navigate Sign in upper right, greater than my account. Enter the user ID or the 10-digit mobile number, the password, then click Sign in. To register, click Register, then follow the step-by-step instructions.
Take our lead.
Verizon account number can be found on your bill or online account by logging in online and going to Account, then Account Overview. The account number is listed at the top, and it ends in 00001 but should be entered without the dash.
Take our lead.
How to find out my Verizon account number and passcode. Just as Susie Q stated, Verizon prepaid account numbers should be your mobile number, and as for the passcode, unless changed, should be the last 4 digits of your mobile number. If you need more assistance, give customer service a call.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Your account PIN is used to verify your identity when you contact Verizon by phone or chat. For your security, customers are required to have a 4-digit account PIN, previously called billing password or billing system password. This helps ensure that your account and personal information remain secure.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.